New Nissan Hyper Force revealed. Could this be the R36 GTR? This is the Nissan Hyper Force concept, a surprise reveal at the Japan Mobility Show which could preview the next GTR supercar. Read on for all you need to know. New Nissan Hyper Force revealed. All-electric replacement for the GTR, Bonkers exterior design. Promises 1,340 horsepower, clever solid-state batteries. Crazy interior layout. Nissan has revealed a potential replacement for the GTR, called the Hyper Force concept. It's an all-electric supercar touting some impressive performance figures. It has a whopping 1,341 horsepower from its electric motors, almost 800 horsepower more than the current GTR, and it'll use revolutionary battery technology as well. New Nissan Hyper Force design. Looking at this concept, you can see why it's being lauded by the press as a replacement for the R35 GTR. It has a similar profile to that car, however it's been given a bonkers makeover. Aerodynamics is the name of the game here. There are active winglets up front to help channel air over the car and push it into the ground. And that massive air scoop in the lower bumper not only makes it look like some sort of bottom-feeding fish, it too helps manipulate the airflow. It's the silhouette of this car which brings the current GTR to mind, however you don't have to look too hard to see the array of bold creases and crazy fins. The rear wheel arches are massive, giving the car a muscular appearance, and there are yet more active vents on the front wings. In true concept car style, the doors open upwards for maximum dramatic effect. That massive wing helps push the back wheels into the tarmac, and there's a dual-level diffuser that smooths airflow at the rear. The twin-tail light design is reminiscent of the GTR models which came before, although it has a modern LED signature. Find a used Nissan GTR. New Nissan Hyper Force motors and performance. Nissan hasn't revealed many details around the powertrain for this new supercar, however it will be all-electric. The brand has also promised a power figure of 1,000 kilowatts, which is 1,340 horsepower. That's a massive increase over the current GTR. That car has 550 horsepower from its 3.5-liter V6 engine. Being an electric car though, the Hyper Force is likely to be carrying some extra weight, but not as much as you might expect. That's because